The Content Studio is your AI content engine. Select any product and you unlock 5 tools: Content Brief, A plus Content, Review Insights, Listing Preview, and Image Intelligence. Select a product first, everything else flows from that. The Content Brief is your strategy document. Buyer persona for this product, who's buying it, what they care about, and what objections they bring. Your top keywords map to the messaging pillars that resonate with that buyer. Use this content brief before you write anything. It's what you would hand a copywriter. The AI uses it to power everything else in Content Studio. Better brief, better outputs. The keywords here come from your niche intelligence, not just volume data. A plus Content generates a full Amazon A plus module layout. Hero module, future grid, comparison chart, brand story, all pre-written from your product data and the content brief. Copy this directly into Sales Essentials A plus Content Manager, and each model maps to Amazon's actual A plus module types. The Review Insights section analyzes your actual Amazon reviews and extracts what buyers love and what's hurting you. Positive themes become amplified in your bullets. Negative themes get addressed directly. This is voice of customer data built into your content workflow. The exact words your buyers use in positive reviews are the words that convert the next buyer who reads your listing. Use this tab to write in buyer language, not product spec language. The listing preview section shows exactly how your listing appears on Amazon, mobile and desktop. Critical because over 60% of Amazon purchases happen on mobile, and mobile truncates your title differently than desktop. Check that your lead keyword and main benefit both appear before the cutoff. If not, reorder your title so they do. Image Intelligence is the newest tab. It generates AI image briefs tailored to your specific product category. Not generic image best practices, but what actually performs in your niche based on buyer behavior data. For an automotive product, for example, in-vehicle installation shot from the driver's perspective, close-up of the quick release mechanism, lifestyle shot in a racing contest. You can use these briefs to direct a photographer or to prompt an AI image generator. This output tells your visual story in the language buyers in your category respond to. Content Studio gives you a complete content package: brief, copy, A+, preview, and image briefs in one workflow.